Remember last time we had a surprise test? The exam happened and today the results are finally out.
Instantly, we start comparing numbers. Is my score high enough? Did I pass? Or is my friend's score way higher than mine?
I need 50 marks to pass the exam. Let's see how Python thinks. It will check is 75 greater than 50? It's true. Is 50 greater than or equal to 50? It's true again. And finally, is 49 greater than or equal to 50? It's false.
Well, that's exactly what Python can also do.
Let's start taking the input. Now you might be wondering, why did I use int here? I already made a video on it. If you know the answer, tell me in the comments. Now let's write the first condition. Is the score greater than or equal to 90? If yes, then print topper mode unlocked. But what if the first condition is false? Python doesn't give up. We can check another condition using Elif. Is the score greater than or equal to 50? If yes, then print you survived. And if none of the conditions are true, Python has one last option, that is else. Here we can print time to hide the report card. Let's see what happens. I'll enter 75. Looks like we survived. Now let's make our parents proud. I'll enter 93. Boom. Topper mode unlocked. Okay, let's try 49. Oof. Time to hide the report card. That's how Python conditions work. It simply compares the numbers and follows the rules we give it. Now it's your turn. Read the challenge on the screen and paste your code in the comments. And subscribe to my channel to learn Python in fun and simple way.